I'm Hillary Lane. Welcome to today's Business Minute.
We're walking on Wall Street with Michael Walishin. He's the founder of Digital Innovations Group.
It was, in terms of doing marketing, it's very tedious, doing email or webinars, whatever. So we decided to take an LLM engine model and leverage our technology and expertise and try to accomplish an 8-hour workday in 8 minutes by building a marketing engine called IRMA.
What tasks are you taking off of people's plates?
I mean, basically all the general marketing tasks, whether it's email, content creation, content distribution, affiliate marketing, literally everything a traditional marketing firm will do. We use our engine and we could simultaneously do all those different tasks all at once. You can't just build a technology platform and sit still. In 3 weeks, it will be semi-obsolete. So you either need to build it, partner with it, or integrate with it. And that's kind of what this engine is. It's essential for the technology of the future.
That was today's Business Minute. We'll see you next time.